Ford Bronco 4600 previews how customers can go racing off-road. Now, as cool as the Ford Bronco R is, the Baja 1000 racing truck is a little out of reach for the casual off-road racers. Now, to elevate this is the new 2021 Ford Bronco 4600. And it made its premiere today at the annual King of the Hammer event happening this week. Now, the Bronco 4600 will also begin competing in the Ultra 4 stock class this year and demonstrates how customers can prep either their 2021 Bronco 2-door or 4-door to compete in the Ultra 4 as well. Now, underneath the racing livery is actually a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 and a 10-speed automatic powertrain, but it's running a competition tuned high-performance off-road stability suspension system. Not quite as radical as the Bronco R, the Bronco 4400 race trucks, this particular 2021 Ford Bronco 4600 has a competition tuned high-performance off-road stability suspension system with Fox coilover shocks, with remote reservoirs and Fox pneumatic bump stops at all four corners. Stopping power is entrusted to the Wildwood engineering brakes, 35-inch BF Goodwrench KM3 tires mounted to the Method race wheels and the 202 Forge Beatlock wheels. 74 wheeled heavy-duty front portal hubs are mounted to the Triton engineering control arms, complemented by the heavy-duty Howe hydraulic steering rack, with a cooler sending front-wheel torque to the tires is a factory Dana Advantech E-locking differential with RCV custom half shafts for the rear. Triton engineering rear links support a Dyna Track Pro Rock XD60 axle and an ARB spline ear locker and the Spider Track Spider 9 axle shafts and hubs. Now, let's take a look at the cargo seats. Now, looking at the body in the 2021 Ford Bronco 4600, you see the modified front and rear modular steel bumpers and the Warren Xeon winch, the rigid LED off-road lighting system that we see here. And let's see if we can get another pic of that. With improved night vision, all the Ford Performance accessories. Meanwhile, the interior is fitted with a custom roll cage by Geyser Brothers, while the cargo supplies the industry first ever off-road certified racing shells. Now, the 2021 Ford Bronco 4600 race trucks feature a new livery, leveraging factory Bronco colors, race red, Oxford white, velocity blue. The livery up front features a look inspired by the 1969 Baja 1000 winning Bronco, with a matte black hood, plus white upper and red lower body lines that transition into a more modern Bronco design, scheme extending rearward. Now, the hood features a white Bronco logo, while the R in the grille, as we can see here, which is definitely nice. The lettering is colored red like the Rebel Rally Bronco Sport and the Bronco R before it. Now, competing with the 2021 Ford Bronco 4600 include the fun heavier Vaughn Gittin Jr. and two-time King of the Hammer champion Lauren Healy is on one model. Now, another brother killed this. Let's see. Not exactly a brother, but this is a Bronco 4600 with driven by the teammates Justin Schurer, a three-time King of the Hammer champion, and Billy Cole, the Ultra 4 vet of the Score Baja 1000 class winner. Now, a third 2021 Ford Bronco 4600 race team will feature Brad Lavelle, who has won championship in the Ultra 4, and his brother Roger Lavelle, a professional engineer who also happens to have multiple off-road racing wins and championships. Now, pricing for what it would take to build a 2021 Bronco 4600 is unclear at this time, but be sure to check back with us here at AO Automotive Reviews so we can get that information to you. This is AO Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And what we have here is the Ford Bronco 4600, and boy, is it awesome.
Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.